Singing soon, it's so I chop a blue.
I got it. I'll send it to you.
Oh my god.
It's fine. They ain't coming this way. It's not.
I'd rather Thursday.
Bro, nobody even care if you fire, bro. Nobody cares. I'm saying nobody cares. These is fire. I fuck with these. I told you it's one of the oldest streets in America. Now, what is this?
I don't know. It's Phil.
Yo, mission accomplished. I was still foul for the bro. That's a fire shot.
No way, they got us lined.
Fact. But they do things. I told you. Can't tell me nothing. Nah, I'm playing. Where, the Nike store? Alright, let's slide. Got you. You go, for sure.
I didn't think I'm okay with this. I'm gonna start at 4. I know you have to. We're heading to the 4th floor now. You kind of see what type of stuff is up there, so stay tuned. Follow me.
You saw those really?
Let me ask y'all the type of people who walk down these? Or y'all just stand there and block everybody from going? Don't be that person.
You talking to somebody right now?
Black Force is still valid? My bad, Mark. You got it. Black Force is still valid? Should I copy?
See, I like the black.
Nah, we copped some tough stuff, though. I'm happy with what we got today. I'm excited. I don't know. But I realized for vlogging, the phone is better for vlogging. The phone is better for vlogging, bro. I can't even see that. Yo, you don't even need to wear those. What are my duds? Nah, let me not say what I was finna say. Sometimes I gotta turn myself down. I be too on heights. Say what it do. What it do? 40th Street.
Yeah.
So what? You can't hit. Freezing cold. Selling stuff. Christmas. It's warm in here. It's not cold in here like how it is out there.
No, but if you stay working, then you're feeling
That's smart. I know what you mean.
from 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, now you're feeling. You gotta get you gloves.
He cannot working with the gloves.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hey, holidays. We're gonna get Burlington on the way back. Back up to the crib. Oh, so wild. Nah, we got some tough stuff.
These are not the small ring, bro.
I mean, probably. It's just gonna be baggy on you. But that's the style of those things. Plus you got no, it's not that much. You ever seen I Am Legend? Yeah. So they want to know where the watches went. Where the watches went, bro.
I don't even know, bro.
You got the car that's like $300,000 more, maybe. We came back to the same spot we did a photo shoot in. He can't believe it. He can't even believe it.